Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make silhouette for videos and photos in CapCut. So you can start by adding a photo or video into your CapCut and duplicate it. So click on the video and click on the duplicate button and make one of the video as overlay. On the overlay video, remove the background. Click on the remove background and I'm going to just use the auto removal to make it easier. Click on the check icon, and after the background is removed you can just go back, find the splice or blend button, then select the darken mode, so this one. Click on the check icon. Okay, you can just click on a check icon, and now on the overlay in here, go to filter and then add the pang filter that you can find under the style category. Let's find pang. Just swipe, sorry, not pang but sunset, and adjust the intensity to 100, and now go to adjust, then set the brightness, contrast, saturation and the brilliance into -50, like this. Click on the check icon. Okay, so for the splice I change it into burn, and after this you need to click on the main video and go to filter, and then on the main video, which one, okay, filter, so on the filter for the main video, click on the mono category and then add the fade filter for the main video. Okay, so this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.